হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, এই মুহূর্তে আমি সাউথ কোরিয়ার হিয়ন্দে বিচে আছি এবং আমার মাথায় আছে বাংলাদেশের পতাকা। সো নাও আমি অনেক পথচারীর কাছে যাব যারা এখানে আসলে ঘুরতে এসেছে এবং তাদেরকে জিজ্ঞেস করব তারা আসলে বাংলাদেশের পতাকা চিনে কিনা এবং বাংলাদেশ সম্পর্কে কি জানে। সো লেটস গো। হ্যালো, ডু ইউ নো দ্য ফ্ল্যাগ?
Yeah.
হোয়াটস দ্য নেম?
I don't know name of the place, but I know a country.
The country you know, but you forgot the name. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Do you know the flag?
It's from Asia for sure,
Yeah, here.
but I don't remember exactly where.
Oh, so I can give you some options if you want.
Okay.
So it's India, Pakistan, Bangladesh.
Not India, not Pakistan, and it's Bangladesh.
Oh,
Different
oh yeah,
Bangladesh.
yeah, you did.
Yeah, Bangladesh.
Yeah, it is Bangladesh. Oh, greetings from Bangladesh. Oh well, bye bye. Hello. Yeah. Where are you from?
From Canada.
Canada. Oh well. So do you know the flag?
Yeah.
No, thank you.
Well. বউ স্বামীরে ধরে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে। আয় আমার আসলে কিছু বলার নাই। লোকটা খুবই ইন্টারেস্টেড ছিল যে সে বলবে যে এটা কোন দেশের ফ্ল্যাগ, জাস্ট বলতে যাচ্ছিল ওই মুহূর্তে সে তাকে নিয়ে চলে গেছে। Hey Nick, look at me. Do you know the flag?
This one?
Yeah?
I think it is the Bangladesh flag.
Yeah, it is. Oh, so what do you know about Bangladesh?
Oh, actually, not much. Even though I had several university friends back when I was studying in Russia who were from Bangladesh,
Yeah.
I don't know much.
Okay, okay. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Sweden.
Hi, you're from Sweden. Do you know the flag?
I know that's the Bangladeshi flag, right?
Oh, yeah, right. But what do you know about Bangladesh?
Not as much as I should do. I think it's probably a culture that I would like to know much more about. So
Yeah, it's
give me some time, and I will try my very best to learn more about
Hey,
Bangladesh.
sure, yeah. Even you can visit Bangladesh
I would
for
love
knowing
to.
more.
I
Yeah.
would love to.
So I'm inviting you.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye bye.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Yeah, when I was here, you said that this is a Bangladeshi flag, but how did you know it?
Great.
Oh, great.
Bangladeshi.
Yeah, it is Bangladeshi. Oh, great. Greetings from Bangladesh. Okay, bye bye. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Greetings from Bangladesh. Oh, sorry.
Now we
Okay,
know.
yeah. By the way, so you're from Italy, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, they have already know that this is a Bangladeshi flag. That's why I'm not going to ask you. Oh, but by the way, greetings from Bangladesh. Yeah. Okay, bye bye.
you.
Okay, thank you. আমি বলে ফেলছি যে এটা বাংলাদেশের ফ্ল্যাগ। ফার্স্টে বলছি গ্রিটিং ফ্রম বাংলাদেশ। যাই হোক।